Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to allow applications to write instant messages in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To allow our applications to write instant messages, we have to go to Settings first, then we are looking for Security and Privacy here option, and in Privacy section we have Permission Manager. We need to scroll at the bottom we have permissions, additional permissions. Right now there is one application that can be allowed to read our messages. We simply need to tap this application, tap allow, back out, and as you can see now this app is allowed to read our instant messages. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.